From the pure salt lake gifted by nature to the core raw material for safeguarding food quality. Magnesium Technology Co. Limited shows pure magnesium oxide from Chinese salt lakes on the world stage. We focus on innovation in food and pharmaceutical-grade magnesium oxide, providing stable and reliable high-quality solutions to global customers. The raw materials are sourced from natural salt lakes, ensuring purity and freedom from impurities from the source, meeting strict food-grade standards. The production adopts a double-layer quad-column roller kiln process with precise temperature control of plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius, ensuring that the quality of each batch of products is stable and consistent. Every key indicator is clearly visible. Excellent powder flowability, particle hardness, and whiteness meet food-grade standards. Let you visually verify the effect of the finished product. We can also customize and process tablets according to customer-specific formulas, flexibly matching different production needs, exceeding standards and satisfying individuality. We provide flexible, customized services and can provide professional customized processing and tablet pressing according to your specific formula needs. Becoming your extended and reliable production partner. Strictly follow food-grade production standards. The clean area of the workshop complies with GMP standards, ensuring product safety throughout the entire process from production to storage. A professional quality control team checks at every level to ensure that every batch of products can withstand inspection. Choosing Magnesium Technology Co. Limited means choosing a pure, stable, and customized food-grade magnesium oxide solution. Looking forward to working together with you to build a food quality defense line.